Hello.
Teacher.
How's your day going so far?
I'm doing good. How about you?
Ah, just woke up. By the way, I'm thinking that you're tired today. Okay. Yeah. This show's daily topic, science
Yes.
technology. So the title is "The Quiet Power of Introverts' Busy Ideas." Okay. By the way, let me ask: Are you introvert, extrovert? You think?
Um,
I remember you said, or I think you're introvert.
kind of, yeah.
Kinda.
I'm in the
Okay.
middle.
Maybe
Ambivert.
you're ambivert.
Yeah.
Ambivert, yeah. Because what I'm omnivert.
Me?
Omnivert,
What
yeah.
does it mean?
Omnivert, I can do extremely introvert sometimes and I can be extremely extrovert sometimes. Depends
Oh,
on the people's treatment on depend on my comfortableness to people. Yeah, depends on my surroundings. If yeah, it's kind of some
that's
uh,
my first time to hear it. Thank you so much for the
yeah,
information.
yeah, ambivert. Yeah,
Information.
yeah, ambivert is in the middle. I think they
Yeah.
are what you call this? They are good in socializing. They are okay with that for ambivert. I think for socializing,
Yeah.
but they kind of not 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 that high as an introvert.
All
But for
yeah.
me, but for me, it depends on the situation. It depends on my mood. It depends on different. It depends on the treatment of the people. But it really we are what you call this? A few people in this world who is omnivore, and I am one of that. As I know, depend
Uh-huh.
with my personality. I can
Yeah.
be as extremely introvert and sometimes extremely I am more than extrovert sometimes, and I am
Yeah.
more than introvert sometimes with my close friends. Or when you go to a party, it depends if I will be going through so much extrovert for that, or yeah, it's either of the two for me.
Wow, that's nice. So when do you usually become like introvert?
It's maybe because if I don't like the topic or I don't like the people, I'm not
Mm,
talking so much, or I not talking
yeah.
so much, or completely I am not talking. Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
So if you have the topic, so you talk a lot.
Yes. So
All right.
there are a lot of people who have different impression, but yeah, it's kind of
For
yeah, I know.
sharing.
Yeah, I
Mm.
have yeah, I know myself sometimes when my people ask me, I'm an introvert or extrovert. So I don't know, and then I don't know how I know that I'm omnivert because I know the ambivert, but thinking I know I'm not ambivert. So yeah, that's the thing that I discovered that yeah, this is me. I'm
Omnivore one.
yeah, omnivert one. Okay. So
How
yeah,
long, since when did you realize that you're an omnivore?
I think just this year, early this year.
Ah,
But I
all
know,
right.
but that's me, of course, since birth, I think. But only this year,
Oh,
I discovered the word for me, the correct
yeah.
word for me, because I know before that I'm not introvert and
You're
I'm not
not.
extrovert.